Today we are playing noclip VR with Pookie VR, myself,
Yeah.
Bryce Play, and oh wait, what's his name? S5.
It's okay. Alright. Let's do this.
Okay, let's run! Never mind.
Oh my god! It scared me.
He's my brother, S5. S5.
Who is that?
It's
I do.
Joshua.
It's my
Pookie.
Yeah, okay. Ready? Get under. Ready? Go, 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 go.
Pookie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Wait,
You
you know
already got
that
one of them.
you know you're in the Goofy Monkeys clan? Do you know that?
Yeah, Goofy Monkey's fine.
Yeah.
Run, run, run!
Too.
Well, I'm not sure about you.
Go to blue!
No, we even got that one there.
We opened the red door. We opened the red door.
Was it in blue?
Yes.
The key.
Oh, wait,
no, the
someone's
key.
here. Someone's here.
Yeah.
I know it's my friend.
Found blue key. Sure. So you look good enough?
I'm a speed dasher. I'm a dasher.
Run!
Run!
No.
Go on there! I want to see. I want to take it. Can I grab it? Oh,
Let's run for it.
Are you even in here?
I don't know. Check.
Yeah, he's going.
Good.
All right. Yeah,
Let's
he's
go.
still in here. No! No! No, I died.
Oh, we got you!
Oh shoot, my S5 left. S5 left.
Alright.
He's coming back. Though. He's coming back. All right, I'm back. Hi. S5 left. S5 left. Yes.
Okay,
let's go.
one more.
One more. Bro, I'm.
Okay. Did you guys go? Where did you guys go?
Wait, where's S5?
Oh, he left. It kicked him. He's back.
Sir Troops, he's here.
Oh, Zerto.
He's coming back. He's coming back.
Oh,
Hey,
wait.
Scared
Can
me.
I make an edit of you like
and they're
tomorrow or
alone.
something?
I can't do stuff like this. I'm bad at this.
3, 2, 1.
Guys, just
It's
run
like
like
when I-
this. Just run
Like
like
when I
this. Put
no.
your arms like this and run.
What?
Guys,
Hi. Alright, I'm back.
I was.
Hey, guys,
forcing
look.
you to
Hit me
run.
gritty.
Run this way.
Guys, run like this. Guys, run like this. Put your arms like this and
Yeah,
run.
we know.
Fast.
Where is he? Oh, hi.
I'm res-
Wait, do you
I'm
guys have the
rescue.
expansion pack?
No, I got this game today.
Expansion
Or-
pack?
Well, I got it a couple days ago, but I started playing today.
This supporter
Oh
pack?
no. Abstract,
Wait, this
you don't
supporter
have the
pack?
pack?
I can
No,
bonk
I
you with
don't
your own
think so.
hammer. I want it. Alright guys, let's go.
I guess it's just level fun. Let's go.
Under the table.
room.
Never mind.
Guys, run this way.
Oh,
Okay.
shit.
The
We've
red
been
door.
here already. We've been here already.
There's a fuse.
Wait, how do you get in the door?
Oh, yes. We're about to beat level 1. Let's go.
I've never beaten this.
Same.
Can I have it?
No. I want it.
Hey, anyone want a kiss?
Hey!
What? We're all like cramming already? Did you guys die? Hey, how did you die?
Pookie, did you die? Pookie, did you die? Yes!
Right? You have to pee and then...
But to wait for him.
No, we restarted. Oh no. We did it! Dad, come to spawn.
We got
boss, I'm here.